We took the wind out of our sails a little bit. Let's see if this shift can turn things around. Blizzard are fired up. Goal. Gonna find a new gear, it seems. We need a good shift here from Team Wisconsin. Going to Tyler. 1-1. What a great answer. We got 14:51 left in the second period. A nice answer from Team Wisconsin. Much needed. We need to slow down the momentum from the Blizzards. Oh, the cold front coming in. Took the wind out of our sails for a little bit there, but a really nice recovery. First power play of the evening coming up for Team Wisconsin. 2 minutes tripping against the Blizzard. See what the coach does here. The Blizzard with an S at the end. Still debating now. I've got the Aflac trivia question coming up between periods 2 and 3, which is related to this. Darby, be ready. See if we can get something set up here. Welcome, Patrick. Welcome to the show. 1-1 now. We got a power play. TW. Here we go. 2-on-2. Let's set it up here. Matt Richter with the shot on the ball side.
6 seconds left on that power play. Puts us up 2-1.
It's got really got a knack for being at the right place at the right time. This is a natural goal scorer.
I like that kid.
Smith with a quick release out in front really set up the rebound.
What's that? Yep, I think so. Einstein is struggling.
Maybe some heavy legs, maybe.
Watch out!
Let's go, let's go!
Devin's really helping us out with some big saves here.
Yeah, he is. I think the shots are getting close to even. Non-traffic shots are going scoreboard. Go around, here we go.
All right, dumps it in. Brings it to Spacey. All right, face off down this way. See if we can win this face off. Nice little shot off.
Comes out of Chippewa. Or Eau Claire. Eau Claire.
And just like that, 3-1 Team Wisconsin. We will see a second period team.
Seems to be our period.
Keep the pressure on here.
Pretty sure they said single over there. Is it Blizzard or Blizzards?
It certainly looks like the last letter on the front of that sweater is a D, Eric. That's what I'm seeing, but I could be wrong. Yeah. Where do you see that? You know, you're just starting to get some momentum with the power play here. There's a big, big focus. 2 minutes. Smith, McDonald, Huffman, Wizards.
The debate continues, guys. We need a vote at home. Blizzard or blizzards? Oh, we Oh, coming around. Where is it? Where is it? Just clear it. Just clear it. Donald needs help. Needs help. You see, Scott? Oh! Big collision.
Hold on to that puck. Kill some time here.
108 left on the penalty.
Jumping in. Halfway home. Halfway home. Nice forechecking by Richter. The puck. Good effort there by number 16.
And then 36 seconds left on that penalty. 6:58 left in the period.
Great job by number 2, Byrne, getting his stick on that, deflecting that shot. 36 seconds.
Nice save. We got lucky there. All right.
25 seconds remaining on the clock for the penalty kill record.
Einstein with a good stick. Still battling for the puck.
And full strength. Full strength.
Nice. There you go. Oh, you touch it? No ice. No ice. He calls it.
Both teams have
Full strength. Blizzard coach not happy with the no ice call. There it is. There it is. There it is. All day.
Feinstein down low.
Watch out behind you. Good recovery on the defense. Here we go. We got a 2-on-1 situation. Oh, kick. Beat him. Oh, is that there's my man, Will McDonald. Yeah, my friends, with a good play. Good hustle play by McDonald.
Great finish by number 3, Jackson Payne.
Homie.
Really set up by number 19, Vincent Green. Great run. He used his body, leaned in, maintained leverage. Great play.
Green to homie. Put us up 4-1.
Just like yesterday, second period.
Second period seems to be our period. The Blizzards are not happy. Oh, I like it. It's a gift from the Blizzard.
Confidence right now. Up in the step. 4-1. Team Wisconsin. Referees are huddling out front.
Here we go.
Richter. Speed to the back.
Oh my God! Einstein just swung and a miss on that one.
2-on-1.
Einstein's got to hustle back. So we'll take it.
It's a couple of questionable calls that are offsides.
Pretty sure his skate was still on the down.
Outside, they said a penalty.
Oh, did they? Good call.
Interesting.
We got our guest announcer,
you,
Hannah
Hannah.
Feinstein here.
Third set of
Hey,
eyes.
welcome.
He comes in.
Say hi, Hannah, to the folks at home.
Not my first hockey game.
Good eye, Hannah.
Set number 4 for the Blizzard. Just gonna 2 minutes.
Hannah Feinstein with the correction. It's not outside. The ref's got it right.
Yeah, one more here. We've got 37 seconds remaining in the second period. All of that time will be on the power play for Team Wisconsin.
I like it. I like it. Pretty quick on that left ball, though. 6 seconds left. Not a good start to this ball, though. I like it. All right, set it up. Set it up.
Very good patience there.
Right there, right there. Wait,
One time.
oh! I saw the net rattle. I thought that was it.
You got some velocity on that one time there. Got Richter, nice move.
Hang on. Save it. You can point.
Working the corner. Working the corner.
1 minute left. 55 seconds left. I'm sorry. We're going to ice it here.
45 seconds remaining in the second period. So, yeah, one more good rush here.
So you switch up the forwards.
Patience.
Line change. Oh, here we go. That's a good look right there.
Clear lane there. 24 seconds remaining. So we got one more rush here.
Oh, 15 seconds left on the period. Oh, mishandled there. That's going to be 2 seconds left. That's going to be the in the second period. What do you think, Cliff?